Hey, John here. Today we will be talking about cholesterol. What is cholesterol? To most people, cholesterol is known to be that thing in food that if you eat too much of will give you a heart attack or a stroke. Unfortunately, cholesterol gets a bad rap for the friends they hang out with. Cholesterol is actually an important lipid in membranes. It is found in eukaryotes, most specifically animal cells, but they are not found in most prokaryotes. Cholesterol is also a steroid that regulates the fluidity of eukaryotic membranes. This is what the chemical structure of cholesterol looks like. You can tell that cholesterol is a type of steroid because of the basic structure of a steroid, being a 6-membered ring with a 5-membered ring attached to the 3 6-membered rings. What does cholesterol do? It is a precursor to other important steroids in the body. As cholesterol goes around in the body, it is converted into these important steroids. As it goes through the liver, cholesterol is converted into bile salts. Bile salts are synthesized in the liver, stored and concentrated in the gallbladder, and then released into the small intestines. Cholesterol is converted into a variety of steroid hormones as it travels through the adrenal glands, the brain, and the gonads. With respective locations, cholesterol is converted into pregnenolone and then into either glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, or androgens and then estrogens. Glucocorticoids is the vital to gluconeogenesis and the formation of glycogen, enhancing the degradation of fat and proteins, and inhibiting the inflammatory response. Mineralocorticoids act on the distal tubules of the kidneys to increase the reabsorption of sodium and the excretion of potassium and hydrogen, which leads to an increase of the blood volume and blood pressure. Androgens and estrogens are required for the production of either male or female secondary sex characteristics. Cholesterol is also a precursor to vitamin D, which plays an essential role in the control of calcium and phosphorus metabolism. Though not a steroid, vitamin D acts in an analogous fashion. Vitamin D is synthesized when ultraviolet light reacts with and breaks the middle 6-membrane ring within cholesterol. It sure seems like cholesterol is a good thing, so why such a bad reputation? Let's look at what cholesterol surrounds itself with to receive such a bad reputation. In order for cholesterol to travel through the body, it is transported by lipoproteins. There are 2 main types of lipoproteins: LDL, low-density lipoproteins, and HDL, high-density lipoproteins. Low-density lipoproteins is the overarching title for 3 different sizes. VLDL, very low-density lipoproteins, are the largest of the 3. VLDLs are made of many triglycerides, making it large and sticky. ILDL, intermediate low-density lipoproteins, are naturally the middle size. ILDLs are synthesized when the fatty acids are cleaved off of VLDLs, making it smaller but still sticky. The smallest LDL is given to the general term of LDL, low-density lipoproteins. These are synthesized when fatty acids are cleaved off of the ILDLs, making it even smaller and yet still sticky. Low-density lipoproteins are known as the bad cholesterol. All 3 LDLs are the carriers that bring cholesterol to all cells in the body, which is good. It builds up on the arterial walls, resulting in stiff arteries and blood clots. Your blood pressure then rises to compensate for the loss of surface area. The extra wear and tear is the reason why cholesterol is known for being damaging to the heart and potential stroke. High-density lipoproteins, on the other hand, are known as good cholesterol. Instead of transporting cholesterol throughout the body to the cells, HLDLs instead remove the excess LDLs out of circulation, transporting them to the liver for decomposition. With all these lipoproteins flowing through your bloodstream, you can check your cholesterol level from a blood test with consulting with a physician. Here is a general chart showing where good levels are and where borderline levels are for your total cholesterol, HDL, LDL, and triglyceride levels, which is referring to your VLDLs. Your total cholesterol should be less than 200, with your HDLs being at least 40, LDLs less than 100, and your VLDLs less than 149. Like I said, this is a general chart. Consult with a physician on where good levels for your desired lifestyle should be. From all of this, I think there's a life lesson here we can learn from our good friend cholesterol. If only cholesterol heeded to the words of the brethren by standing in holy places, it wouldn't be stuck in these sticky situations, resulting in such a bad reputation. Thanks for watching.